India. The earliest symbol for zero was found in a 9th century temple. In 7th century, Brahmagupta made the biggest leap. He said that zero is not just a blank space, it is a number. He created simple rules, just like 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Negative and positive numbers can follow rules. Because of this, mathematics became easier everywhere.
So zero wasn't just invented or created, it was explained. That's why modern mathematics work. Zero from India changed the world. It made big numbers possible. It made other computations possible. And it allows calculators to exist.
Why does moving one digit ruins everything? 200 is not 30. Why so dramatic?
That's because of decimal place value system. Tapos hindi pa matano. Ngayon, ako dinagay ka ng decimal place value system. Ang saday na. Wala ko itubag, kaya dili ako si Ryan. Ako si Ken. Pero sige, explain na lang tamo. Decimal place value system still comes from India. Ancient Indian mathematician developed and perfected the base 10 system where a position of digits like ones, tens, hundreds changes its value. This becomes the foundation of Hindu-Arabic numerals, the numbers we use today.
So every time my answer is wrong, I can blame the ancient mathematician geniuses.
Kabalo ba ka unsa ang Pythagorean theorem? Of course, wala pa. Pythagorean theorem existed in India before Pythagoras. It is from Surba Sutras around 800 BCE. This text listed Pythagorean triples, explained right triangles, and even gave a very accurate value for square root of 2 correct to 5 decimal places.
That's wild. They were doing geometry before geometry became famous. Indian thinkers also talk about the different types of infinity, just like the infinity on one directions, two directions, infinite area, and literally the infinity everywhere.
Everyone!
Okay, my turn. Aryabhata in 6th century created one of the earliest sign tables. He also gave the value of pi, which is 3.1416, correct to 4 decimal places. He even estimated the Earth's circumference almost perfectly, and he knew pi is irrational way ahead of Europe.
And here's mine. Brahmagupta also pushed algebra forward. He worked with negative numbers, solved quadratic equations, and even used letters as symbols for unknown numbers. This was one of the earliest steps toward modern algebra. Pascal II explained why dividing by 0 points to infinity. He also solved advanced problems and developed new ideas of calculus long before Europe. Madhava of Kerala is insane. He created infinite series for sine, cosine, tangent, and pi. He got pi correct to 13 decimal places only, using the infinite fractions 200 years before the European discovered the similar formulas.
And also, Indian astronomers use trigonometry to measure distance to the sun and moon. They also use sine function to measure height, distance, and even planetary motion.
Hindu mathematics shaped the math we use today, from zero
So decimal,
To geometry, to algebra,
trigonometry,
and to infinity!
Anak, lipis ka ron. Gani, pinagdialysis sa